Hey everybody, excuse me. Um, I hope you're doing okay. Oh my God, it's almost Christmas. Ooh, I'm so excited. Anyways, um, oh, I'm gonna show you my Birchbox. So, because of this whole thing, for some reason my box took long to get here. So it got here yesterday. I think because of so many packages and stuff, and had to make sure that everything's okay and stuff. And my package traveled. so um, it was here yesterday. I picked it up last night because I didn't want to leave it in the cold too long. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna show you my Birchbox and a few things I got Sunday. Cause me and my mom we did some things Sunday, so we did a lot of things last week. Whew. So yeah. Anyways, this is the Birchbox monthly one. The December, very pretty. I like the other one last year. Oh my god, that was gorgeous. So this is all that. So cute. And this is what I got. So let's get started. I got blue. I I keep the tissue paper um for like, Christmas time, birthdays or whatever. And sometimes I will when if I do get it, I will keep the black foam that goes with this to, breakables and stuff. Or like I store my Christmas ornament that I got a couple years ago. Anyways, let's get started. We have I'm gonna do this guy. This guy's like a full size. Like, wow. Okay, so I picked for my box is this beautiful red nail polish with some little bit of shimmer. This guy looks like a full size because I'm like, wow. Oh, it's cruelty free. That's cool. Fear of missing out. That's your name? I think that's your name. If I can find it. No. Let's see. Yeah, that's his name. That is a really cool name for that. So this is nail ink. Um, it's rich red, full coverage. I don't want to say full coverage. Yes, nail polish or full coverage. Um, let's see with pearl shine payoffs. Um, oh, okay. It's richly infused with frankincense essential oil to straighten and shield against daily damage. Okay, so the full size is $11. Like, okay, I never seen Net Plush has essential oils that is good for your nails. It helps. Wow. Okay. Wow. Well, wow. Okay. I'm shook. I'm shook. All right. Next is this Verb Ghost Hair Mask. Um, light and airy treatment. Nourish, defrizz, um, shines without leaving behind any residue. Add no or added weight. Use after shampoo and apply to hair. Let's say 5 and 7 minutes. This also is a deep conditioning too, and it repairs. So that is really really good for. Oh, it's cruelty free. I like things that are cruelty free or vegan free because I really want to be in that healthy situation, especially for my hair. So that's awesome. It's right there. Um, so that's cool. And I heard about it a long time ago. I didn't know they still exist. All right. So next is this. What? Um, boutique beauty. What it is? It's this velvet rose bud smoothie hand cream, and it also is the same brand as the hand sanitizer. So I am good to go with a lot of hand cream. That's good. Back here is has shea butter. It's vegan, no parabens, and no something oil. I can barely read that. It's just right there. Let's see what else. Oh, the full size of this hair mask is 18, and full size of the hand cream is $9. That's not too bad. Yeah, it just helps with your skin and all that good stuff. All right, next is this IPKN moist moist and firm beauty balm. PF is 45. It's in medium. Full size is 29. Ooh, that's expensive. They expensive. This is a lightweight BB cream. Even skin tone. Features PF 45. So you can skip an extra PF step. It also has vitamin E and collagen. Wow. For added skincare benefits. Are you telling me something that I need more BB cream in my life to help my skin? Because I'm only 31. Jeez. But that's cool. Now I know about it. Now I'll try that out. All right. Next is this Arrow Reviving, I don't know that word, Skin Moisturizer. Lightweight. That. Lightweight moisturizer has ability sheen to illuminate your skin and hydrate. It has aloe to hydrate and smooth. Use morning alone or under makeup. I can't go wrong with so many moisturizers. Good, 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 good. All right, this beauty is this. I think this is like a setting spray. Sounds like. Yes, this is makeup setting mist helps extend wear time. Oh, did I say the? This is full. This. Blah, blah, blah. For this, full size is 24. A little pricey too. All right, back to this. Back to this beautiful packaging though. Woo. Anyways, extend long wear for of your makeup while infuse skin with antioxidants like white tea to refresh and shield it from all the icky stuff probably in the air. That's all I can say because I cannot say that word. So the full size for this is 26, which is not too bad though. So I don't know. Oh, it's alcohol free. Try to see if anything else. No, there's a little bit of English and the rest are in some foreign language. that's all I got today. So that's my box. Moving on, what I got. Oh, anyways, I hope you guys like what I got in my box. I'm not too bad. Not too bad. I like what I got. Anyways, so I only got 3 things. Let's see. I'll start with this. So these 2 things here. There was a thrift store, a small thrift store that we have 2 that I work with. Um, but this one was in Oak Harbor, and theirs was closing. Sadly, I feel sorry for small thrift stores that are trying to thrive. They're struggling. So they were closing, and they were doing a if you come in and you fill up like a paper bag, how much you want to get. It was like, $10. But as we didn't get much, we didn't find other things that we needed, so we only got a few things, and it was, I think ours was like $5 because we did only halfway. So it depends on how much you get and stuff is how much you have to pay for that bag. So I got this. Don't look at the price because it was just they try to get rid of stuff. So I used to have this game when we had our first Xbox 360, but my mom. I do not like pawn shops. I understand the situation of pawn shops is to, if you need money to, hold on your, that stuff. But there's sometimes when they don't tell you that you need to get your stuff out, they will sell your stuff. And we had some of our stuff being sold. So yeah, this went bye-bye with the whole caboodle. So I'm gonna see if Amazon has one of these because I really like this game. Okay, next, my first book in this year. I haven't got a new book, but this is a mystery book, and it's just like caught my eye. I think of the pink, and it's just so wicked and mysterious. It just caught my eye. So it sounds like a good. I read the plot to this, and it sounds really, really, really good. So I might read this in January. Hopefully, I need to read. All right, that's the only thing I found. I really did try. All right, and then we went to Ace Hardware. There's this bigger than here. And they had, oh my god, it's so cool. They had like beauty stuff for like women, like essential oils and stuff. Anyways, I got this essential oil, and it's from Woodwick. I'm like, what? They have essential oil and a diffuser? So this one is Evening Bonfire, and I smell this as a candle form, and it's cool that now they have essential oil, and this was only $8.99, which is not bad. Theirs is different. I'll show you. Theirs comes in this, so you just drop, which is cool, and it smells so good, and it's very light. I wish I had the candle, but the candle was pricey in Bath and Beyond, so this is better. I get my money worth on that than spending way too much on the candle. Anyways, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys like what I got for my Birchbox and a few things I got. I haven't gotten essential oils or a book or a game in a while, so I wanted to treat myself before Christmas. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or wherever you are. I love you, and yeah. Bye, guys.